Good evening. Welcome to Sleepy Radiology. This is Sabriya. Today we are going to discuss about the benefits of um, trauma radiology and operation theater radiology. So, means radiology is a vast subject and it has a vast deal in various fields. So, even radiology is useful in our OT as well as for treating the trauma cases. So, trauma cases means day-to-day trauma. The term is a major cause of mortality globally, and um, so far if you're talking about the trauma means we have lot of trauma like history of fall RTA cases, then any kind of sudden injuries due to stress, then due to infections and all. So they are very much important in radiography. So the main objective of trauma is it is in the part of ATLS, Advanced Trauma Life Support, and it plays an important role in treating the trauma patients. Like whenever you meet with an accident, have you ever seen where you are taken? Yes, of course. We are taken to the X-ray department, CT scan department, and ultrasound department for review of the diseases. Like if you are taken to the X-ray department, they are seeing any kind of fractures in the bony areas or not. CT scan gives you the information about the type of bleed. Like mostly we do the CT brain and CT thorax to see any kind of pleural or pneumoperitoneum and such cases. If you're going to ultrasound, there is this is called as a EFAST technique. So in EFAST technique, what we do is focus assessment ultrasound technique, where just we look on the Morrison pouch, Douglas pouch, and on the liver and kidney where there is any history of bleed or not due to fall, trauma, or lacerations. So this is a very rapid increasing day to day, and there is very less adequate supplies. So we have to know about the trauma radiology and facility. So talking about the trauma radiology and OT radiography, what the most important equipment we which plays an important role is a C arm. So you can see here C arm is a C-shaped device which holds the X-ray tube and the detector. And this is a mobile type of C arm. We have two types of C arm. One is mobile C arm, and another was a fixed C arm. And generally fixed C arms you will be seeing in our ortho, like in neurovascular cath labs where we are ongoing day to day angioplasty and then angiographic procedures. And talking to a point of view is like in trauma or in cases of OT radiography, the most important thing is you have to provide the sterile cover to protect the equipment from any kind of fluid splashes. Next thing is classical approaches for ATLS is we look for the chest AP, we look for the pelvic X-ray, and we do the first technique which I have already mentioned in before that. First is focus assessment ultrasonographic technique. Next thing is we look for the CT scan. So in CT scan we go for the CT scan brain, but in brain we are not including only the brain parenchyma, we also include the brain along with our cervical spine. So the main purpose of including the cervical spine is to see whether there is any depressed fractures, or to mainly to focus on the C1 C2 which is not visualized in our normal views, and must and for the chest abdomen to look for the fluids. And most commonly is whenever you get any trauma cases, so it's very much important in city to give the VR image, volume rendering image, and a 3D image in all the directions, and you should rule out it very clearly with zooming thing. So this plays a very important role. When you're talking about the chest x-ray, the chest x-ray main thing we look for is pneumothorax. Next hemithorax means there will be bleed in the thoracic cavity, front of the chest, any kind of anchor endotracheal placements. Next, post and pre-assessment before surgery is very much important. Chest x-ray is very much important in case of trauma and OT. Next is see in CT scan you look for the areas, and this is an abdomen ultrasound image. So see, this is the Morrison pouch area and this is the Douglas pouch area where we go for the free fluid or to see any kind of pneumoperitoneum bleed is there or not. Next thing is CT. So CT is very much important in case of trauma and OT. Is it helps you to give the information about the hemorrhage. So a very frankly speaking is when you are going to meet with the first means fresh hemorrhage, it will be always bright in CT. Slowly when it goes to the infarct stages, it will become black and darker. So in that stage the hemorrhage we call it as a is a infarct. Five stages of hemorrhages are there, like subdural, epidural, parenchymal, contusion, intervertebral hemorrhages. So here you can see the subdural hemorrhages. Coming to the OT setup, see this is an OT setup. So and this is a trauma, this is trauma setup, and this is OT setup. So in trauma you have to know very well about the patient transfer method, and OT you have to know very much, be careful about the radiation protection. So see, this is a type of fixed CM unit, and this is very much important in our OT and trauma radiography, and this will help the radiographers to take the images then and then on the spot. So in OT, radiography is also playing a vital role in detecting the internal structures of the body during any kind of surgeries and operations. And in trauma, it helps to see the part then and then. The first assessment, first line of treatment is done with the help of radiology. I'm sorry to say, I feel very much proud to be a part of a radiology department and on this teaching group. Thank you. Next thing is, not only here we have the CM facilities nowadays. OTs are equipped with a modern machine which is called as an OARM, means mobile CT scan unit, which is playing a very much important role in detecting the three-dimensional views of the trauma and pathology. And it is very much helpful. See, you can see at the monitor, we can have a CM facilities as well as during the operation we can see. And but the most important features of our OT radiography and trauma radiography is we are using a special type of table called as floating table, and this table is very much important for the CM to move in 360-degree angulations. So this is, you can see here the OARM, and this is the setup of an OT radiography where we can do the minor and major cases and all the operations, like what to say, if we have any implants fitting, if we have any angioplasty, all these things we do with the help of this OT and radiography. So you can understand now how much OT radiography plays also important role in our radiology department. And don't forget always, when you are doing any OT radiography procedure, first of all thing is protection is very much important. Always cover your equipment with the help of non-sterile or sterile gloves. And this is the end of the presentation. Thank you so much for your